Ako si Felix Morada, dito operator ng Honjet dito sa Robinsons Navaliches. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit na may 30 meters kaming nariiran as of this week. Ito po ang heads. Capping. 90% good and working pa naman po siya. Head clean. Nasa ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang system ay tama lang. Racing tank malinis every Friday. Ground wire. ABR good and working. Ito naman po yung use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Ito naman po yung inventory. Consumable withdrawal. Nakagamit ng isang film this week. Resin powder at isang kuyi. Green solution. Ito yung nagamit sa yellow. White ink. Resin powder. 30 cm film, cleaning solution. Ito naman po yung monthly daily maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.